Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about automated patch management. A number of our clients take advantage of this service, but may not fully understand what it does or how it works. And we have other clients who are considering moving to this automated patch, especially now that many computers are not being brought into the office, so it's getting harder and harder for us to do things in person on those machines, and they need to be kept up to date with the patches. So there are two types of patches that are part of this service. The first one are Microsoft driven. So first of all, the main focus here for the Microsoft patches is security. They are trying to stay ahead of potential loopholes that hackers have found. They're trying to stay in front of that. So these are actually updated every week, and one of our techs every week looks at the Microsoft released security patches and other patches. We decide which ones are stable or critical, and we push those out each week. Security is one of the focus. There are some product updates and things that are part of these patches as well. The second part, the second group, are third-party patches. So this would be things like Adobe and Java. They don't come out as often. They're still part of the same review process, and if there are those that are ready to go, they'll be pushed out at the same time. So when we push them, what happens is we are sending them out to a key computer, we call it the probe computer, at a client site, and it's disseminated to other computers in that network, and also to those that are on the road, so laptops that are not being brought into the office, things like that. Those updates are brought to those computers, they are downloaded, and then one of two things happen. Either it's just installed and you don't even know it, it's happening all in the background, we're good to go, or some of these do require a reboot. And so it'll queue it all up and get ready to go, and then late afternoon on Fridays, you will get a message that pops up that says, hey, we're gonna need to reboot your computer because we've got some updates that are done, and it'll begin a countdown. Wrap up what you're doing, save your work, and go ahead and either let it restart the computer, or you can choose the button and say, go ahead and restart now. Don't turn your computer off, let it run. These are important patches. You need them to keep your computers secure, and you need to share this with your staff so that they let the computer stay on. So let's just say on Friday afternoons, you're out of there and you still need these things to run, but you're not working. That's fine. Log off, but leave the computer powered on. So again, log off, but powered on. Everything will work in the background. When you come back Monday, you'll be all set for a new work week. So it is important to keep the computers on. If you have any questions about this, let us know. If you're already using the service, maybe you share this with your staff so they know what to expect. If you're not, we would strongly recommend you consider it and keep your computers up to date, especially with these security releases. Any questions, let us know. Thanks for your time. Have a great rest of your week.